When abuse or neglect occurs, the New York State Justice Center steps in to protect the health, safety, and dignity of over 1 million New Yorkers with special needs. The New York State Justice Center for the Protection of People with Special Needs was created with a clear mission: investigate allegations of abuse and neglect, prevent harm before it happens, and support individuals receiving services, their families, and the direct care workforce with resources and advocacy. Before the Justice Center, the voices of the vulnerable often went unheard. Today, that's changed.
I've been in the provider world for nearly 15 years, and I could see all the great work that was being done, and I loved being in the service industry. But there was definitely some bad actors, and we could see that someone would be let go of one agency, and then within a week, we'd see them working down the street at a different provider agency. The staff exclusion list is a list that provider agencies have to check to see if a potential hire is listed on there. So that would stop those bad actors from going down the street and picking up a job at a different agency.
Protection goes beyond investigations. The Justice Center collaborates with providers, law enforcement, and other state agencies to prevent abuse before it occurs.
We have a very eclectic staff. We have a number of folks that did criminal investigations. We have nurses who have worked in every care setting that we have jurisdiction, and we have individuals who did direct care. We work together, we collaborate, we understand and tap into each other's expertise about the various oversight agencies that we investigate, and I think by and large we come to the right conclusion.
We develop and deliver specialized training based on observed needs, from investigative best practices to forensic interviewing techniques, providing those on the front lines with the tools to create safer environments. At the heart of our mission is support for individuals, families, and caregivers.
One of the things that the Individual and Family Support Unit specifically does when it comes to family members is to guide them again through the process that we have here at the Justice Center, answer a lot of questions, and provide referrals. We also serve as a bit of a go-between between us and the providers and the families, so again, making sure that they have those connections. We've created a lot of resources as well that are really beneficial, including an effective communication resource that we put out recently to help families navigate the system, and then also effective tips and approaches to communicating with providers.
I think overall the Justice Center has made great strides in protecting people with special needs. There's more transparency and openness in the process. I think the other part of the individual protections for individual clients has been a systemic approach. Now the Justice Center and the partnering state agencies have a better sense of what goes on in campuses and programs, so they can identify trends that go beyond a single case.
We've been successful because we understand that this work takes all of us. And together, we've made New York unequivocally safer. What is the Justice Center? We are a team committed to advocating for vulnerable populations, and will never stop fighting for those who need us most.